In this video, we will demonstrate the process of plotting constellations. For this demonstration, we will use one UE test case. It is assumed that everyone is familiar with creating test cases. To create a constellation plot, you need to enable Bilayers in Debug Mode and set the PHY signal option to Yes. We can modify the name of the custom block to Bi_custom_constellation and apply the changes. It is important to use the Bi_custom_constellation as the log setting. Save the changes and run the test case. Next, you will need to register with the network. Go to the logger and filter the Phi layer. In the logger, you will find symbols ranging from symbol 3 to symbol 13, a total of 10 symbols. You can enable or disable symbols as needed. By examining the symbols, you can determine their corresponding phase. There is also a channel that provides information about the symbol, antenna port where the signal is transmitted. This channel can be disabled if desired. These channels display the transmitted symbols, along with the corresponding antenna and port. This process allows for the configuration plotting of constellations. Thank you for watching.